Hello everyone, so this is the second following video that we removed the head unit in the MAZDA Tribute 6. So we already get slightly drill out the hole, so those pin will slide in all the way in, and then you will feel click in. Okay, so what you do is actually you slide in and bend a little bit, and it actually works. You see that, like that, and it actually will do the mechanism inside and have you to hold it on both sides and slide out, and it actually come out straight away. And here the mechanism. Okay, so the pin slide in and flatten down this panel, this locking mechanism on the side, and the same thing here. Okay, so without those pins, you can make your own thing with 4 of the liter meter pin, and do the same thing, but we just found that those ones are so much easier. And now simply it already slide out quickly, and we can see there's some connector behind this one. Okay, so it's all done, and thanks for watching. And if in case you want to see how the 9-inch full package wireless Apple CarPlay system running into this one, including Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera, and including a set of 8 Pioneer component speaker update in this car, please have a look at another videos soon after we finish the work. Thank you for watching, and see you on next one.